So you're eager to send out any kind of messaging that's going to reach your leads and entice them to place an order, but have you stopped to think about if your SMS or MMS marketing will even reach your clients? I'm going to go over the difference between SMS and MMS and how you can make sure that your client gets the best messaging experience. SMS stands for Short Messaging Service. This is what we all know as a text message with no bells and whistles such as like videos or images. MMS is Multimedia Messaging Service, which includes some kind of visual attachment like a contact card or anything really outside of a text. MMS will take longer to send, but it's much more impactful in standing out from your competition. However, this kind of messaging is also more at risk for being blocked by either the client's carrier or simply failing to deliver for a number of possible reasons. SMS has better deliverability and can also include links to your nicer looking content. The problem is the receiver is just going to see plain boring text. That's probably what your competitors are also sending out and just hoping that the client will choose them. Since both MMS and SMS has gains and flaws, what strategy should you use? First, make sure that you register the phone number that you advertise from with 10 DLC, like 10-digit long code. Tell them the kind of content that you're planning to send out and get approval before even thinking about sending out your first text. Following the 10 DLC and TCPA guidelines will put you in good standing with main phone carriers and ensure that your message deliverability is not being blocked. Second, let's talk about content. Your first message, if you're not getting your leads from a source that already does this, should be telling your client who your company is and how they can opt out if they choose to do so. This is one of those plain SMS messages that we talked about earlier. What you send after that is up to you. We recommend having awesome and dynamic pictures and videos showing off your product and happy customers. Make sure that the main messaging, the focus of your campaign, is stated in both your MMS messaging and followed by a similar message with SMS plain text. That way you ensure that even if your client is in a bad Wi-Fi area or has limitations on receiving MMS, they are still able to receive that call to action. Now, I have a secret fact that most people don't know about TCPA and FCC laws. They treat both text messages and phone calls as one and the same. So if you're thinking about sending tons of text messages, just know that if you're audited, they will be reviewed under the same standards as spamming somebody with phone calls. Besides, I think we could work out a better way of advertising to people on the phone that isn't going to annoy them. If you're hitting a content block and want to incorporate SMS and MMS messaging into your marketing campaigns, let's chat about some ideas. Send us a message at www.channelautomation.com or give us a call. Let's get you started on the techniques that convert leads.